I hear the ice cream man.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Look at her.
He's coming and I have money.
You got your allowance?
I have just enough to buy a popsicle, maybe.
Well, what are you getting me?
I don't know. We'll see what they have. You know how long it's been since I bought something from the ice cream man?
Really? Oh my goodness.
Hi, guys. Oh, I know what I want. What do you want?
What do you want?
I'm going to get a chocolate taco.
A chocolate
Chocolate taco.
taco.
And what do you want?
Well, I kind of like everything, but might as well get something that my name.
A fat boy? A fat boy? Oh, thank you. Oh, there, so I get my money. Okay, hang on. Let me get a couple more just to have them.
What are you getting?
One of your favorites? Oh.
Oh man.
I think I'm just gonna get a couple of Starbucks. Yeah. Yes, please. Are you Dad's big helper? Huh? Oh, Grandpa. Oh. Grandpa? Is that your brother? What's that? No, we got it. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Have fun. Bye.
Bye-bye. Are you happy?
Yeah. Got ice cream.
Here you go. There he goes. Wave goodbye.
Bye, ice cream man. Nothing like getting an ice cream from the ice cream man.
Looking out the window, fogging up the glass.
Well, guess what? It's snowing. It's really snowing. It's supposed to do it for the next 6 hours, Tom says, but we'll see. It's been very windy. It's blown our rug.
Hey, close the door. You're letting all the heat out.
It's snowing. We just had soup for lunch. It's winter time, as Tom says.
Yes, it is.
I can't really see it back here, but started putting our Reflectix in the windows to keep it warm tonight. Oh, look, it's over.
I'm telling you, it's about ready to be over.
Oh, well, it is spring in northern Nevada, and that's just the way it goes. That's the way it is here.
It's winter.
We're probably in the dark. I can't see. This GoPro doesn't have a screen on the front, so we never know. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys that it's snowing. I didn't ask for it either.
Oh, you're gonna get it.
Dave, don't blame me.
So we are leaving Lori's sister's house. We have to go have somebody get their hair done.
Need a haircut desperately.
In a snowstorm.
Well,
It's a raging blizzard.
we need a little bit of groceries too.
Uh-huh. Look at this crazy mess. Oh my gosh.
It's been a while being in snow like this. Well, last year in March in Tucson, Arizona, we had
That's
a
true.
few inches of snow.
That's true. But this is ridiculous.
Okay, guys, have fun. Stay safe, stay dry.
All right, so you got your hair cut.
I did.
Now we get to go out into this. Look at this crap. Look at this.
Woo.
Yeah, woo. We've been in there 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes from what it was a while ago. Holy moly. Look at this. Heavy, wet snow. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're not getting groceries.
Oh, we're not?
We're going to deal with whatever we have at home.
Woo! Holy moly. Turn the furnace on.
Can you imagine trying to... It's a freaking blizzard.
I told you it was going to snow. You need to start listening to me.
Oh my gosh, snow. Yeah, in April, I figured, you know, just a little flakes here and there, like it was when I showed the video on another video that I took earlier today.
Yeah.
Not this.
Yeah, not this.
This is freaking December, January.
This is what
snow.
happens when you come to Nevada 6 weeks too early. We shouldn't be here until the middle of May.
Well, tell your knee that.
You hear me? I've had it with you. So you talked about this on Saturday Coffee Chat. What exactly are you doing?
I'm doing what they call diamond painting. It's like paint by number, only you've got these little gems, and then this thing that you're putting it on is sticky, and so the little gems stick on it. Marie from Opa and Oma, she does them, and I've been wanting to do them for a long time. And so our daughter Jolene, she got me some for my birthday last year, so I've really been enjoying it. Actually, she got me one before that. It was a wolf, but I finished that one. This is my second one. This one is like a beachy scene. It's got a old Volkswagen. It's upside down the other way. So this is like a Volkswagen bus and a palm tree, and then there's surfboards over here. It's hard to see it right now, but I'm 2/3 of the way done. I only have this little section left to do on this one.
Well, it keeps
I like doing it.
Keeps you busy.
Yeah, I like doing it, especially on in between travel days when we only are somewhere for a couple days. This way, I don't pull out a bunch of my other card making stuff or jewelry stuff. This is simple. I keep it in this tray all the time, and boom, it's right there. Happy dump day!
Oh boy.
Oh, we decided last night as we're eating supper that we should probably go dump tanks this morning because
it gets really hellaciously windy.
the rest of the week is going to be crap. We had originally talked about going tomorrow, but as Tom watched the weather like he does like every 5 minutes, and it's a good thing, he realized that this morning, Monday morning, early, was going to be okay. So we hurried up last night, got things packed up, hurried up this morning, got things packed up, and so we're off to dump tanks. It's a beautiful sunny morning. It's not too cold. So I was actually in my short sleeve shirt. Tom was in a jacket, but he does do a little bit more outside. And once I get going, working on stuff, I'm hot, so I've got my denim shirt with me, long sleeve shirt if I need it. But it's a beautiful morning. But it's supposed to get yucky, so we wanted to get this taken care of as soon as possible. Happy dump day! Well, we finished dumping. It took us about 20 minutes. 10 minutes to get there, 20 minutes doing it, so half an hour. Now we head back, and we have the fun task of getting back into our spot, which is always a challenge.
And the reason
is
you know, it's not that hard to back this thing up, but the way that their driveway is with the incline,
yes,
they have a boat, they have a truck, they have an RV, that it's all right there in this one little area, and then
yep,
we have to back into it.
yep.
Maybe we'll show you.
Oh, geez. You ready for that? To show how you lose your temper? Maybe we will.
GoPro, turn off.
GoPro, stop recording.
Oh boy, a dusting of snow. There's about a dusting to half an inch of snow. Yeah, rained most of the night. Turned to snow about 4 o'clock this morning. Oh well. Yeah. You get what you pay for, right? Holy moly. I think it's all Lori's fault. Yesterday, she posted a meme that said there was 248 days until Christmas. And then this morning we wake up to this.
Looking out the window, fogging up the glass. I trace the skyline with my finger. I'm wondering where you're at.
So we've mentioned a few times before about the incline of my sister and brother-in-law's driveway, how we get in and how raising our trailer has really helped so that we don't drag. Before, they used to have to put a little ramp over on the other side of the driveway over here so we could get up, and it was really complicated. But since we raised it, it's good. So here is, you can't see it in videos, so here is the difference in how steep of a slope just this part is.
The incline.
The incline of it, it's about 14 inches drop.
Look at that.
Very quickly within
That's
what, 3 feet.
Yeah, that's a foot right there. And really, you get down here where the road is, you're up to about 14 inches.
Drop.
It drops the incline.
And it's only about 3 feet.
If your trailer tires are down here, right here, the back end of your rig is going to be up there, and you're really close to that concrete.
Yep. When Tom drives down this, I always watch and make sure, and there's probably still a good 4 or 5 inches below our skid bars. We have skid bars on the very back of this. Thank goodness, it's really saved our back end. So that we still have that much space when he comes down this.
But we want to show you the slope of the entire driveway. So you're gonna go up to the top of the driveway.
Now,
and you're not gonna throw it.
No, I think you should roll it down to me because you can't run after it.
Oh, that's true. I can hop after it.
That won't be fast enough. And it... Yeah. You're gonna bowl.
I'm just gonna set it down.
Yeah, it's gonna go over there. Look how fast it's come. Oh, now it's in a groove. Hit the phone. Boop, 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 boop. So that's the incline that we have to, and backing it up is really kind of hard. You're not pulling, you're pushing it up here. Well, you are pulling it down, but you're pushing it back up.
Actually, I don't even pull it down. It just kind of pushes me and the truck down. I mean, it is a steep incline to do this.
It is.
So that's where we go up the driveway. Now we're going to show you what our brother-in-law has done to make the area flat for us. So once we get from the concreted part of the driveway, we come over here to the dirt, and he has his rig set there. This area was not really as flat as it is this year, and we'll show you what he has done to make this really flat for us. Their property backs up into the side of the mountain, But the portion of their property, this slope of the hill coming down, used to come way down here, probably to where the trailer is, that far back, I would think.
Yeah, that brick wall used to come
Yeah.
up here more.
The brick wall used to come almost to right here, where that is.
Yep.
So he has dug all of this out to give us a flat, mostly flat area. And it's still of an incline going downhill, but that's like going into an RV park or just about boondocking anywhere. You're going to have a little issue. But they dug all this out so we can back way up in here.
Yeah, that pine tree over there used to be like right about here.
Yeah. They repurposed the pine tree. So he's dug all of this out, and he's got a little road that comes up right here and goes up behind his trailer now.
And he dug this out
And
more so he could scoot his trailer back, because we always had troubles getting
I don't know
in.
if you can see the depth on that where he's dug that out to make it flat for him, and then he put the brick wall up, filling in with dirt behind it up here, up the top of the mountain. But he's digging all of this by hand. Look at this big old hole he's dug here, and he's trying to make it flat. Look at this. This is what he uses. And he'd been using that shovel, that bucket. He takes the shovel, fills the bucket up, and then dumps it into the wheelbarrow, carries the wheelbarrow over here, dumps it, comes back over here with the wheelbarrow, gets back down here, gets his little yellow shovel and his pink bucket and starts digging again. And Kevin, we thank you for that. Great job.
He does a good job. He comes home from working all day long and starts digging and shoveling.
You should see him out here with his little yellow shovel and pink bucket.
Easy for you to say.
So that's where we spend our summers in Reno.
Mm-hmm.
And now you know.
So grateful to my sister and brother-in-law.
And now you know why it's a little tough for us every once in a while to get backed up in here.
Yeah, we had said when we came back from dump day that we would set up a camera and let you watch. Yeah, it's a good thing we didn't. We would have to change the rating of our videos. So that's not going to happen.
Do that again. Got gnats, do you?
No, it was a hair. I think it came off of your sweatshirt.
That's great. Hey, did you like this What Up Wednesday? Make sure you give it a thumbs up. We had fun making this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you click subscribe, ring the bell, and get notified every time we put up a brand new video, which is every Saturday on our chats, and then our What Up Wednesday videos. Sometimes they have a theme. Sometimes they're like this one. It's just a mishmash of everything. And we have fun doing it for you. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching.
See ya.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Should I help him? He must have got called into supper or something. He didn't finish this bucket full. He's taller than me. There, we helped.
GoPro, stop recording.